Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Google Play Console account. So first of all, go to any browser you want and search for Google Play Console. Once you have done that, click on the first link. Finally, on this page, on the top right, it says go to Play Console. Before doing this, make sure you are already signed in into your Google account on your browser. So it's going to be easier for you. So once you have done that, click on go to Play Console and it's gonna show you the email which is already logged in into your browser, and click on next. Finally, enter your password and now click on next. Once you have done that, you'll have to add your public developer name over here and then put your secondary contact email address on the second one, and finally put your contact number. And now check mark these boxes. After entering all your information, you'll have to pay a $25 registration fee, which I am not going to be doing right now. All you have to do is click on this create account and pay button and it will ask you your credit card information. Just enter it and finally your account should be done. For more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.